Hi, I am Divyanshu, and in this video I am going to share one tool that will help you to get massive engagement over Twitter. So before I introduce you this tool, let me show you one case here how brands have been using this feature. So long back I received this email on New Year. So there you can see they sent this customized email where they shared insights of what I did last year, like what sort of food I ordered the most, from where I ordered it, etc. etc. So it was an engaging copy that they created, but at the bottom if you check out their call to action button, they have written, tell us what food goals you want to achieve this year and we will be right here cheering you on from the sidelines. Tag us at the Swiggy. So there you can see call to action button. If you I click over this, let's see what happens. If I click over it, there you can see there was a new window and gonna ace 2020 with Swiggy, and this year I am going to eat more veggies. So here you can see, they have given a few options, so you can simply choose one of the resolution, such as eat less veggies or eat more veggies, or to ask delivery partner bhaiya aap kahan ho, which is kind of funny at the same time. So and if I simply click over it, it will get tweeted on my account. If I make changes and I can tweet this, you can replicate same strategy to create similar campaigns with the help of this tool. So we are going to use this tool, CickToTweet.com. Just sign in using your Twitter account. Once you sign in, you will see this option, message you would like tweeted. So let's say I want to type, I want people to share their opinion about this video or this series that I am doing over YouTube. So let's say I type this message, right? So I have given here people option, so I want them to share their so hey, it's Divyanshu. That is the Twitter handle that I have entered. I recently watched your lockdown challenge series on YouTube. I liked. So whatever the thing you like the most, you have to share your thoughts here. So what I can do, I put the hashtags, relevant hashtags over there. I clicked over generate a link. So here you can see there is a link. If I click over it, it has been copied now. If I open a new window and I paste this link, let me see if it is working. And here you can see bingo. Here is the same message that I have created, right? So isn't it pretty amazing? If I go back and refresh it, you will notice here that there is a real-time tracking as well, which means in a real time you can track whether your campaign is making an impact or not. What next? If you want to use this tool, you want to embed it over your website, you can do that as well. So here are a lot of options available. Choose one of the fonts you like the most and click over it, and there you get the embedding code. Just go to your website and you can paste this embedding code, and you can transfer the traffic that you are getting on your blog to your Twitter account. Isn't it pretty amazing? I hope this tool will help you in your Twitter marketing campaigns. I will share this link in description. Please let me know your thoughts on Twitter. Let us connect.